We'd like to demonstrate our new Dixie Ultra Grease-Resistant Food Wrap and its barrier properties. This new food wrap paper has the same great properties as our OGR paper, but there are no additives to the pulp. Instead, it's a starch-based coating that creates the barrier. We laid a sheet of the food wrap over a dark-colored napkin. Then we added olive oil and let the food wrap sit. After an hour, we removed the food wrap to show that there had been no soak-through of the olive oil onto the napkin. Let's see how it works with other foods. Because Dixie Ultra Grease-Resistant Food Wrap has great barrier properties, we recommend it for fried foods and hot sandwiches with oily, cheesy, greasy ingredients to help prevent leaking and soak-through of these substances. It's also great for cold foods. Dixie Ultra Grease-Resistant Food Wrap is a great choice for a more sustainable option as we pursue certifications for compostability on this new wrap. Watch for more information on gppro.com.